Welcome back. So, we are ready with the first task, and all the girls that you met are ready backstage doing their own makeup. We need to tell them what they did right and what they did wrong. And who's here to guide them is our famous makeup artist Amisha from Avas Cosmetics. So, let's invite Amisha and take her tips on how to give a beautiful makeover to the girls. Hi, Amisha, how are you?
Hi, how are you? How are you guys? It's a pleasure having in your shows and teaching some technicals to your girls, and thank you so much, Juhi, for inviting in your calendar count.
Now, I was asking the mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the beautiful of all?
Juhi Jagasi.
And guess why? Because of Avas Cosmetics and
Thank you so
Amisha.
much.
But thank you for making me look so good.
You look pretty.
Now, tell me what things you can change. What things you can change? Tell the viewers. Now, I look nice because of your makeup, but I'm sure there's certain things you can do to enhance me.
Yeah, like I would work little bit on your eyebrows and little bit on your contouring and your lips. I will work on the lip lines and stuff, so it will look much prompt and popped up. So I would work on your lips and little bit of contouring.
Wow. Wish I was a calendar girl hunt. But unfortunately, we have a line of contestants who have done their own makeup and are waiting for your tips.
So let's do
So
and
keep
welcome
me
them.
for the last.
Thank you, Juhi.
So let's invite our first contestant, Sunita Mishra, our finalist number 1. Welcome, Sunita. You are seeing the viewers and they are seeing your makeup. And Amisha is our makeup artist you met in the last section.
Hi. Hi. How are you?
She's going to judge how your makeup is done. You did it yourself.
I just put like eyeliner and lipstick, that's it.
So
Yeah, I
tell her
can
what
see
you
it.
did and then she'll tell you the tips.
Hey, how
Hey.
are you?
Doing good, how are you?
I'm good. I could see that you don't have a base on, or
No.
you have not applied nothing.
Nothing.
So when you go for something contest like that, we usually put a makeup on, and in that makeup, contouring, highlighting, base, and your eye makeup. Eye makeup is important because it's prompt your eyes and it looks really beautiful.
What have you done
So,
to your eyes?
I think she's wearing the lens.
Show the viewers what have you done to your eyes?
Just wearing lens and
lens, no makeup.
and eyeliner, of course.
Eyeliner.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
it.
so what would you do?
I think we need completely makeover. She has not done any makeup.
Much makeup, but she
So-
looks beautiful.
Yeah, I don't do makeup at all, so I'm not comfortable with makeup. So I just go like this.
Okay, so let's do one thing for her. Let's bring the eyeliner, Amisha. While she brings it, let me tell you one thing.
Okay.
Sometimes makeup is not important because you look great, but it enhances the beautiful features you have.
Definitely, yeah.
So Amisha will be back and she will show you one tip.
Sure.
So Sunita, are you ready for applying the eyeliner?
Yeah, I am.
Let me trade places.
Hi, today I'm going to apply Ava's gel eyeliner with the Ava's brush. If you guys see that she doesn't have an eyeliner on the bottom, she has just applied on the top. So you can see the difference when I apply in the bottom.
All right, let's go for it. Let's make Sunita more glamorous. Now, there's always a technique to this, girls. Don't practice at home. First, learn the technique.
Yeah.
All right. So while she's applying that, let's invite our second finalist for the evening. Our second finalist, Monica Ahuja. Come on, Monica. Meet Amisha.
Good to meet you.
So tell her what you've done to your face.
I've applied a little bit of foundation,
Show the viewers.
some concealer, a little bit of contouring, and some eyeshadows. I'm not sure how perfect my eyeliner has been. I did lipstick and little bit of the lip liner along with that.
Okay, Amisha, what do you think?
I think she has done good makeup, like for the party. But when you are going for some kind of competition, we apply a little bit more contouring and highlighting on the cheek. So what I would do, like for her makeup, I would like to enhance her cheek and give more contouring, and I will shape little bit of her nose so it looks more thin and sharp.
All right. So you ready?
Yes,
Okay, so let's trade places.
All right.
And go ahead. I'm really interested in knowing how Monica's contour will look like.
Me too.
So, you know, the last finalist had the eyeliner done. Your turn is for contour, and she's ready.
Look forward to it.
So if you guys see, I'm using the Ava's 200 foundation, which is the lightest, and I'm putting on the cheek, and then I will do the contouring with the contouring powder. It is very easy to blend, so let's do it.
Okay. All right, let's see how does Monica look with this contouring. But you've done a great job by herself, you know, like, but of course, makeup enhances everyone.
Everyone's,
Absolutely.
Okay, so while they are doing that, we are going to invite our third finalist. So men also do makeup, right?
Yes, Juhi, men also do the makeup. All the Bollywood, Hollywood, all the actresses, they are really doing a makeup. We think it is a natural, but it's a natural makeup.
Wow, so are you ready to meet the next hot contestant?
Yeah, he looks pretty hot.
Let's invite our finalist 3, Vishal Sharma. Oh, okay, let's come here. Show the viewers what have you done to your face. Any makeup?
No, nothing.
कुछ नहीं लगाया.
कुछ नहीं लगा.
बट ये तो मेकओवर चैलेंज है.
ना कुछ नहीं लगा.
कुछ नहीं. तो अमीशा.
एक्चुअली इन्होंने कुछ भी नहीं लगाया है. जब हम मेंस का मेकअप करते हैं तो हम लिप ग्लॉस लगाते हैं, लिपस्टिक नहीं लगाते हैं, और प्लस हम बेस लगाते हैं और पाउडर लगा के उसके ऊपर हल्का सा काउंटोर करते हैं. और जहाँ पे दाढ़ी के बाल होते हैं वहाँ पे हम नहीं लगाते कुछ भी.
राइट. इसको तो माशाल्लाह
हाँ.
अच्छी लगी है.
हाँ जी.
So are you ready to put the lip gloss?
Yes. Of
Okay,
course.
Amisha, go ahead. Get the lip gloss. And I really have never seen men do makeup, Vishal. And you really don't need much, but trust me, Amisha's lip gloss might just bring the factor out of you. Okay, so while he's getting the lip gloss done, let's meet our next finalist. Finally, finalist number 4 coming with a lovely outfit and great makeup already done. Welcome, Humara Awan. Hi, Humara. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. So, Amisha is here.
Hey Humara, how are you? You have done pretty good makeup. I think you are in the fashion field. Is it true?
I wish I was.
All right. So let's trade places. Let me come here, and you go to Amisha, and she'll tell you what you need to do more.
I think her makeup is well done. I will just do a little bit with the eyebrows and a little bit of the lip enhancing. So for lip enhancing, I will do the lip line, like, you know, contour on the lips. So that I would prefer to do on her.
All right. So you give her 3-4 stars.
I give her 4 stars. She has done really good makeup.
Okay. So let's bring the lip liner. And Humara, you do makeup every day?
I think, Juhi, we are not doing the lip liner, but we are enhancing her eyebrows.
Okay. Sorry. Let's get the eyebrows enhancer.
We are going to enhance her eyebrows with the dark brown, Ava's dark brown eyebrow powder. We are not putting the black because when you put the black, it looks too much. So usually we do the dark brown.
Okay. So let's bring it out. You have a lovely kit there. Wow, there's a lot of colors, lot of variety of Avas cosmetics, but I guess the brown goes for you.
Yes, of course. I'll always like my eyebrows, so I'm sure it'll look nice.
This is the dark brown we are going to apply with the eyebrow brush.
Okay. Alright, so while she's getting her eyebrows enhanced, let's welcome finalist number 5. Finalist 5 is none other than Goral Jani. Welcome, Goral.
Hi.
Wow, you guys are already doing makeup, so Amisha is going to have a tough time. Amisha?
I think she has done pretty well makeup, and it looks like she is in the fashion industry. Yeah. So with her, I would like to enhance her lips and the contouring. I will do a little bit less blush on, but I will highlight because your cheek is very compared to the bottom, it's a little bit chubby.
Right, okay.
Yeah, so I will go a little bit down so I can I will flattening them.
Okay. Make it look sleek and
Very sleek, yes.
let's bring that out, Amisha. Did you do your own makeup?
Yes, I did.
How long did it take you?
I think 30 minutes or so.
30 minutes? Okay, we need to learn 5-minute makeovers.
I know we do.
So Amisha's ready. Come on this way.
So what I will do, Juhi, like I use this Ava's powder and I would like to enhance her lips and I will go a little bit flatten on her cheek.
Okay. So the cheekbones will become sharper and
Sharper.
stand out better.
Yes.
Okay, great. So while she's getting her cheekbones enhanced, and we are ready with the next finalist, number 6. We are halfway done. Just 4 more finalists to go. Let's bring on our next finalist, number 6, Pranjal. Welcome, Pran.
Thank you, Julie. Thank
You look gorgeous.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
But I'll let Amisha tell you what is your
Absolutely.
good part about
She's
your
a makeup artist.
Yeah.
Welcome, Pranjal, and I like your makeup. I would like to say, like when we do the makeup, we usually make the face shape oval. We have a little bit square on the chin, so I think I will go high contour on the side underneath your ear, and for that we use from Ava's number 46. So that I will use on her to make your face oval.
Slimmer.
Slimmer.
So I must say there are different, while you take that out, there are different kinds of face structures. Oval is supposed to be the best. And square is also good, but I think she's going to make it oval and make you look more sexy. So come on this way.
I'm going to use from here. This is the number 46 and it is like little bit closer to her shades, the face shades, so it can blend easily.
Okay, sounds great. I can't wait to see you look slimmer and your cheekbones sharper. So while she's getting her cheekbones sharpened, let's bring our finalist number 7. Staying with you, Amisha, I'm becoming a makeup artist myself. I can talk about structure, eyeliners, contouring.
I know you know already because you are doing this so many years and you have judged so many pageants, so you know that what looks
But
good.
what do you think about all the contestants so far?
They all are good, and gee, I can tell that this time so many contestants, they know how
They
to
know
do
what they're doing.
Yes,
They know
so-
their makeup too.
Yes, yes.
But you're not going to go out of business because you know better tricks.
Oh no.
So let's get our finalist number 7, Vandana Dara. Vandana, welcome back. You are always hugging me. And you're spoiling your makeup, but let's Amisha tell you.
I'm ready to spoil my makeup by hugging you.
But Amisha knows how to keep that on. So Amisha.
Vandana, it looks like you have not applied any eyeshadow, any eyeliner, just the lipstick and the base.
Too much makeup actually.
So yeah, like viewers, you don't do, many of them don't do. But that's why Amisha is here to tell you.
So like I would apply like a base, and if you see her chin is little bit bigger and coming little bit forward.
Yeah.
So I would do like put it down, going little bit in, and then I would do more contouring on her chin. And the nose, if you see, it's coming a little bit like sharpen towards the down. So we want to lift that nose a little bit up. So I would do the high contouring.
Oh,
Yes,
wow.
that's called the all cosmetics.
But let me tell you, you may not even recognize yourself, Vandana.
Yeah.
Magic coming through.
So what is the first thing you want to do now? I know we are going to do great makeover tomorrow, but
I think today I would do a little bit of chin
okay.
and the nose.
All right,
I
let's
work
come
on
this
that.
way.
Let's try.
Let's try that. So let's go ahead, see those lovely colors there. And I can't wait to see Vandana with a different chin and nose. Huh? I'm pretty nosy to find out about her. All right, while she's getting that done, our finalist 8 is ready. Our finalist 8 is walking down the show right now. Suryavansh Gupta. Suryavansh, what have you applied on your face? Tell Amisha.
Nothing.
What's with men? They're not applying anything and the technology has changed. Life is different.
I think men's. I think he's behind the specs and.
Look at the viewers. Who will tell behind the specs lies those great eyes?
Yeah, I think I will enhance his eyes, and I can make his beard a little bit more sharpened, so he looks sharpened.
Okay, so let's see your eyes right there. And now come this way. Amisha is going to enhance it. So we will not need your specs. I think I can wear these specs now. Let's watch closer how this looks. All right, Amisha, what's happening? Let me tell the viewers. Tell me.
I'm going to put a little bit lighter shade than his skin, so his eyes can pop out.
All right.
And looks good. Not popped out like a popped out.
Right, like prominent.
Prominent. Yes, yes.
Okay.
So I'm using the Eva's Total Coverage Foundation. If you see there is a dark circle under his eyes, so I'm going to try to hide that.
Okay.
So his eyes will look enhanced.
Okay. So while she's getting the dark circles out, I would like to see eye to eye with the audience and call the next and the final finalist, Monica Ahuja, number 9. So our last finalist has a request. She wants to be right in the middle of you and me because tere mere beech mein kaisa hai ye bandhan anjana. So where is Monica? Monica Ahuja, finalist number 9. Here she is. Tell the viewers what you've done to your face.
What I've done today is I used brown and neutral shadows and then a little bit of glitter in the middle. And I've also used contouring techniques, the blush here and there, highlight, and a little bit of gloss.
Well, I get the feel you're a makeup artist.
Yes, I am.
Oops. Amisha, it's your turn. To show
Hi.
that your brand again supersedes. Maybe she'll use your cosmetics.
Of course, I will.
Looking forward. Anyway, she has done pretty good makeup. It's very clean, neat. I would just suggest like the lipstick what she has applied. She is wearing black, so I will go a little bit red, not this light. And if you see your top lip is little bit thinner than your bottom lip, so I would make both lips same size like a Kim Kardashian look.
I'm gonna be the Kim K.
Yeah, so it will look really good on you.
Okay. So are you ready for that challenge?
We will do some lipstick on you.
Thank you.
So Amisha, get that nice red color on her to pop out her lips.
I'm using Eva's number 6 lipsticks. It's a red, very bright red, and I'm gonna apply on her lips.
Okay, let's go for it. I know, normally with black, I've seen a lot of people do a sharp red. So
Yeah, the red looks really good.
okay, all right.
Okay.
So this was the last makeover. I mean, you saw all the contestants. They do a pretty good job themselves. But always a professional makeup artist can show you some better tips to enhance your beauty. So let's bring everyone once again together and share the experience of what they did and what they learned. Learning never stops. We can go on and on with a lot of techniques and skills, but this is what we have. But I see all the people did great job.
Yes, really, Julie, definitely all our contestants, they know what they are doing, and most of them, it looks like they are very much into makeup, and they know what they are doing.
Yeah.
They are in the fashion mode. Definitely, you can tell.
Okay, so from your viewpoint, who did the best makeup? Who would you award the Makeup Diva Award? Our first subtitle.
I think I would go with her.
All right, Umara Avan. Come on, Umara. So, come here. How do you feel winning this subtitle, Makeup Diva?
Actually, I'm really surprised. I think I'm not good at makeup, but it feels good.
I mean, how often do you put makeup?
I actually don't wear makeup a lot, so I guess when I do it, it looks good.
Okay.
Definitely, she has done very good job, and it looks like she knows what she's doing. I think you have watched lots of YouTube videos, right?
Maybe.
All right, so here we end with this lovely challenge. And please continue to vote online. It's right on the screen. Go ahead and put your vote and make your favorite contestant win. Till then, see ya. See you in the next episode coming next week to you.